Welcome back to Parenting Pro Tips. Are you tired of the never-ending chaos and clutter in your home with kids? Today, we have the ultimate guide to help you. Reclaim your space and say goodbye to chaos forever. Get ready for a transformed and organized home. Tip 1. Our first tip is all about creating designated storage spaces for toys and belongings. We'll show you clever storage solutions that make it easy for kids to put things away and keep the space tidy. Demonstrate using storage bins, shelves, or labeled drawers. Tip 2. Say goodbye to the endless hunt for lost items with our next tip. We'll guide you through creating a centralized organization station where everyone can find what they need, from keys to school supplies. Demonstrate setting up a command center or a family message board. Tip 3. It's time to tackle the wardrobe chaos. We'll share practical strategies for organizing your children's clothes, making it easier to find outfits and keep their closets neat. Demonstrate techniques like sorting clothes by type, color coding, or using closet dividers. Tip 4. Let's not forget about the kitchen chaos. We have tips to help you streamline mealtime and keep your pantry and refrigerator organized. Say goodbye to expired food and hello to efficient meal planning. Demonstrate organizing pantry shelves, using clear containers, or implementing a meal planning system. Tip 5. Finally, we'll show you how to create functional and organized play spaces for your children. From playroom organization to art supply storage, we have tips that will keep the mess under control while encouraging creativity. Demonstrate using bins, shelves, and labels for toy organization. And those were just 5 of the tips we have for you in this ultimate guide to organizing your home with kids. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to a harmonious and clutter-free space. So, if you're ready to transform your home and reclaim your space, be sure to watch the full video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest parenting tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and get ready to say goodbye to chaos forever. We'll see you in the next video.